Sa iba pang balita, lumagda naman sa isang deed of donation ng Department of Health at pribadong sektor nitong nakalipas na Miyerkules, Mayo 28. Ito upang maitayo na rin ang Eastern Visayas Regional Center sa Tacloban. Mayroon itong 500-bed capacity at inaasahang matatapos sa loob ng 16 na buwan. Balikan natin ang report ng aming kasamang si Kring Lacson.
Nagkaroon ng deed of donation signing ang Department of Health at ang mga pribadong sektor upang tulungang ipatayo ang Eastern Visayas Regional Center sa Tacloban. Kasama ang proyektong ito sa Presidential Assistant for Recovery and Rehabilitation na pinamumunuan ng dating senador na si Panfilo Lacson. Ayon kay Lacson, mula unang araw pa lamang ng Yolanda ay aktibo ng tumutulong ang pribadong sektor.
We encourage their participation in an organized manner. It's not as if they did not do anything during the typhoon or even after the typhoon. They were there in the first place, but we wanted everything in an organized manner, and so we did. And this event, this activity tonight, is a living testimony of the enthusiasm, which is still very prevalent among the private sector groups.
Ang ospital ay may 500-bed capacity at mabubuo sa loob ng 16 na buwan. Itinuturing ni Health Secretary Enrique On na ang donasyon bilang isang tripartite partnership.
We will have with us here Bloomberry Cultural Foundation that will set up or will allocate funds for the construction of the what I call the foundation of the hospital, the basic structure, partnered with also a similar amount that will be funded by the Department of Health. So in short, it's a very nice tripartite public-private partnership of a local so-called philanthropy as well as the national government.
Magsisilbi ring command center ang ospital kung mayroong darating na mga bagyo sa probinsya.
But it will be a health facility that can act both as a communication center, a center for, as a command center in case a similar event occurs in the future.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Kring Lacson.